Stick around to the end of the video to see how we used Milano to organise a look inspired by this very episode.
Our design concept was pretty simple. We wanted to obtain bright, bold and colorful interior with a lot of greenery visible from the entrance. We wanted to expose second-hand furniture, and we wanted to use materials that will look good for years to come. My name is Kalina and I'm an architect. For this project, I have designed with my husband. We designed this apartment for my sister Kasia. This apartment is located in the capital city of Poland, in Warsaw. This neighborhood is called Stare Bielany. This is the great example of Polish post-war housing estate. The scale of the buildings is very human-friendly. There is a lot of residential greenery in between, and all basic amenities are located nearby. From its beginning, it was a residential building. It was erected in the 60s. Kasia is the second owner of the apartment. She's a civil engineer by day, and her hobby is working with ceramic and porcelain. Kasia had three main requirements. First one, she loves to cook, so she needed full-size kitchen, not only a kitchenette. The second requirement was about vintage elements, so we incorporated those pieces into design as well. And her third requirement, she's a hobbyist ceramicist, so she wanted to display her small collection somewhere on the wall. The layout of the apartment was unchanged from the 60s. It was the apartment for a family of three. The original plan had dark hallway, narrow kitchen, two separate rooms, and the bathroom with the washing machine that blocked the door. In our design, we removed the wall between kitchen and living room. We removed original bedroom's door and part of the wall to create second entrance to the bedroom. We also relocated the washing machine. The entrance is very central, so almost the whole apartment is visible from the threshold. Inside this entrance zone, we have designed custom-made closet made from oak veneer panels. Inside this big closet, we provided some space for shoes, for clothes, and we placed their washing machine as well. To separate this entrance zone from the living room, we have designed openwork structure. Some time ago, Kasia fell in love with Alexander Calder's mobiles, so it was our original inspiration. At the beginning, Kasia prepared a lot of sketches of her dream structure, and we used those sketches. The structure is pretty subtle and it doesn't block the view. That was pretty important for us because this apartment is only 33 square meters. In the living room, we have L-shaped sofa, small side table, floating TV cabinet, and there is the Togo armchair. On the floor, we have oak parquet. This pattern is called herringbone, and it was quite popular in the 60s when the building was erected. Kitchen is a full size, and there is a lot of space to store food, to prepare food, to cook, to eat, and to have coffee. Kitchen is the main furniture in the living room. That's why we have designed oak veneer fronts at the bottom, and we combine those with light pink fronts at the top. Pink is Kasia's favorite color. We combine those two types of materials with the maroon worktop, finishing with wooden edge. On the wall, we have the singular module of string shelf to expose Kasia's ceramic collection. Between the kitchen and the living room area, there is a round wooden table, and above this table there is a flower pot lamp. We have 3 chairs designed in 70s by Bruno Rey. When Kasia bought those chairs, they were painted dark brown and they were in pretty bad condition. We have decided to use green stain because inside this terrazzo on the floor we have a lot of green dots. You can enter the bedroom directly from the entrance or from the living room through a narrow wall opening. Inside the bedroom, the bed is soft pink with a fancy headboard. Inside the bed there is a storage space, and next to the bed there is wall lamp for reading. The closet has both open and closed storage drawers. There is some space for coat hangers and some space for books. The bathroom's door is visible from the entrance, so we wanted to have it as neutral as can be. At the bottom of the door there is a small gap to provide air for the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty compact. There is a toilet, storage above it, shower. We have designed pattern of holes because behind this perforated panel, heating pipe is located, and we wanted to provide some heat in the bathroom, especially during the winter. We have designed curved vanity to move around space a little bit easier. When it comes to designing small space, our philosophy is pretty simple. We always want to make as much storage space as possible, and then we have a possibility to expose some beautiful furniture, and that's great if those furniture are second-hand. Because there is no planet B, we should build and use space as smart and efficiently as possible. Small apartments, if designed, are a very good place to live.
Were you inspired by some of the design and decor in this apartment? We were. So we used Milanote to create and organise a handy board that brings together some of the important elements of this apartment. Milanote acts like a virtual pin board, allowing you to add images, notes and links to products which can be arranged flexibly. You can create different boards for different purposes, like we did here for the floor plan, product lists and mood board. It helps to keep things organised, and navigating between boards is quick and easy. For our floor plan board, we added key furniture and pieces that we liked from each of the rooms in Koka Studio. We also added links to the items so we can go back to them when we are ready to buy. With Milanote's colour swatches, we were able to use the eyedropper tool to select the right colour directly from the YouTube video. We love how easy it was to organise our Koka Studio inspired project. Milanote is free to use, so why don't you give it a try by clicking the link in the description below and start creating mood boards for your next project.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.